Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a highlight and contour video. I'm just going to show you girls how to highlight and contour, of course. And we will be using all affordable products because that is just what I do. I'm not into spending 20s and 30s and $40 on concealers and foundations. It's never been my thing. So let's start off with my face. I have a flat face. So I do have foundation on and brows on only, and I have powder on my lid. So because I'm not doing an eye look today. So what I'm wearing on my face, I'm wearing the Black Opal Stick Foundation in Mocha. Lord, it's beautiful bronze. I've been saying Mocha this whole time. It's beautiful bronze. Lord have mercy. I'm wearing beautiful bronze. And for my concealer, I'm really not sure what I want to use because I really do want like a bright concealer. Just not sure what I want to use. I'm going to use my Black Radiance, my Ruby Kisses CC Concealer in Rich Beige. Right here, and just pull it down. Chin, eyes, and forehead. So if you are following with me, your face will look something like this or similar. I do not reverse contour. I do not do that. It's just something I just do not like. I don't know. I just never been into that. And I'm also going to take LA Girl Pro Concealer and Warm Honey. Okay, I think we have set for a minute, so let's blend out. So first, I always blend out my chin because you know that's the least part of my highlighting routine that I'm concerned about. And then I blend out my forehead. My forehead is not that big, so I really try to keep it in this area. I try not to spread it too far to the left or right. I really try to keep it right in the middle so you can just see those high points. And whatever's left, I kind of just bring down my nose. Sometimes I'll do it, but sometimes I just won't. Because I'm not really concerned about my nose. And then, of course, the last part is under the eyes. I do go down the side of my nose. And then I do go over. And I do bring it down some. If I feel like I went too far with the concealer, like I put too much on, I will go in with my foundation brush here and just smooth out the edges. Okay, I will do that, and then I will go back, you know, to fix some areas. Now to contour, which is something I really do not do often, but I am going to give you a cheaper alternative to contour. This is the Ruby Kisses contour stick, and it's the 3D contour stick. It has one contour side and it has one highlighting side. I do not use the highlighting side because I don't like a cream stick product under my eye because I have a dry under eye, so I need something with a lot of moisturization. So I just use the contour side and I just do like so. That's it. Just the cheekbones. So, and I do take a more dense brush and then blend out that contour. And I go in circular motion so that it won't be a straight line. It'll be more blown out. Now, for setting my under eye, I do use a loose powder, and I do kind of bake, kind of set. Not baking like I used to do about 3 years ago, but I do press it in the skin so that the powder sits and absorbs at the same time. So I am using my Black Opal loose powder in the color medium because this is what I prefer now. I used to use neutral, but I think medium looks a lot better on my skin tone. So I am taking a Real Techniques blending sponge, and I'm using the back of the sponge and dipping in my powder and dipping off the excess and setting under my eye. See, as you can see, I'm just pressing the powder into my skin. I'm not leaving you with like a cast of powder. I'm just pressing it into the skin. And I always dip off the excess because I do find myself, I did find myself pressing it in my skin directly after picking it up from the compact, and it was just way too much. I couldn't get rid of it because it was, my sponge was wet, so it kind of just stuck there and left me with patches. So I had to stop doing it. I always focus on my eye first because that's the most important, and then I do my chin and my forehead. Okay, so next I'm going to contour slash bronze, and I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark, and I am going to use the contour shade in the palette. So I'm just going to take this nice fluffy brush here that as you can see I did use it for contour, and I'm just going to pick it up, just tap it in to the pan, tap off twice, and just bronze contour my face up. I do like to go in larger circular motions when I put a powder on for my contour or my bronzer, because I like to give myself that sun-kissed kind of look. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face. This is not a part of the contour and highlight routine, but I'm just going to speed through things for you girls so we can get to the finished look. So now we are going to highlight the face, which is using a glowy type of look. We're going to glow up, okay? So I'm going to take this brush here. It doesn't have a name, it's just a brush that I got. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. highlighter in Apricot Glow. Oh my god, y'all, this powder is so freaking pretty. Hey guys, so I am back. So this is the, not updated, Lord, this is the look of my highlight and contour routine. I am nice, dewy, and glowy. I actually put some highlight in my inner tear duct to give you that pow, that boom, that, you know, that glowy look. So I hope you all enjoy it, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification down here. I think it's down here. And so you will never miss an upload. I hope you do go out and buy these products if you don't already have them, and maybe you can tag me in this look on your Instagram. I will put my Instagram link down below so you can keep up with me. I do have a business Instagram, and I do have a fashion Instagram. Yeah. So I mean, how did you like this look? You think I'm glowing and snatched? Do you appreciate affordable highlight and contour routines? Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, girls.